In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all Discord messages at once. We'll be doing this by adding a bot to your Discord server and then giving it the permissions it needs to clear messages in a channel. As we go, make sure you're signed into Discord and that you have permission to manage the server, because some of these settings won't be available unless you're an admin or have the right role. Start by opening Discord. Once Discord is open, go ahead and open the server where you want to remove messages. This should be the server you manage and the one where you want the cleanup to happen. At the top of the server, click on the server name to open the drop-down menu. In that menu, select App Directory. This is where Discord lets you browse and add apps and bots directly to your server. When the app directory opens, click on the search bar and type in ClearChat, then press Enter. You should see the ClearChat bot appear in the search results. Click on the ClearChat bot to open its page, where you can review it and begin adding it to your server. Next, click on Add App. Discord will then ask you to choose which server you want to add the bot to. Select the server you want to use, then click Continue. After that, click Authorize. This step allows the bot to join your server and request the permissions it needs to function. Once the bot has been added, go back to your server. Now click on the server name again to open the drop-down menu one more time, and this time choose Server Settings. Inside Server Settings, click on Roles. This is where you can manage what users and bots are allowed to do in your server. In the Roles section, find the ClearChat bot name and click on it to edit the bot's role settings. After opening the role, click on Permissions. Here, you'll need to enable a few important permissions so the bot can work properly. Turn on the toggles for View Channels, Manage Channels, and Manage Roles. These permissions help ensure the bot can access the channel and carry out the message clearing action correctly. Once those are enabled, click Save Changes. If you don't save, the bot won't have the updated permissions, so make sure that part is completed before moving on. After that, go to the server channel that contains the messages you want to delete. This is important because the command should be used in the specific channel you want to clean up. On the right-hand sidebar, you should be able to see the ClearChat bot listed. Click on it and choose the / command called Clear All. If you prefer, you can also simply type /clear all directly into the message box and press Enter. That will trigger the bot's command to clear the messages in that channel. Before you run the command, it's a good idea to double-check that you're in the correct channel, especially if you're managing a busy server. Clearing messages is meant to clean up the conversation history, so you'll want to be certain you're applying it in the right place. If the command doesn't work right away, the most common reason is that the bot permissions weren't fully enabled or saved. In that case, just go back to the Roles and Permissions section and confirm that everything is turned on correctly. And that's it. Once the ClearChat bot is added, authorized, and given the right permissions, you can use the Clear All command in the channel where you want to remove messages. This is a quick way to clean up a server without having to manually delete messages one by one,